Hello. Hi. Now I'm making chicken barbecue. Yes. I use this one, guys. Pero ginamit ko ay chicken. It's okay. Just only the sauce. And this will be very nice, guys. So ngayon, marinate ko ito maybe half a day or overnight. Much better kasi yung taste niya ay talagang masarap na masarap. Kasi maganda yung sauce ng Likam Ki. Yan, marinate ka muna siya for our dinner. Mas lalo masarap, guys, kapag yung liempo ba, yung a little bit fat ng pork. Yeah. So, it's okay. It's okay ang chicken. Masarap din to pag chicken. Kasi yung sauce kaya, like barbecue sauce, chicken sauce. Like that. Thank you, guys.